Be the bass sister.
The bass sister. The baritone sister.
Donna, come on up here.
All right, Donna.
You might want to introduce this next game called Sound Effects.
Oh. So, sound effects. Now, if you were afraid of words,
Like ding.
all you have to do in this game is make sound effects. What's going to happen, I assume it's me and you, right?
It's you and me.
Okay, so Dave and I are going to create a scene, and then one of you will be assigned to me to make my sound effects, and the other person will be assigned to Dave to make his sound effects. And, you know, if we aren't doing enough to give you enough to do, then you can add your own sound effects, and we have to add that into the scene also. So, who would like to come do sound effects? 2 people.
So who hasn't been up here yet?
All right, yeah.
All right.
Now we can't say that anymore.
That's right.
Yeah.
Don't worry, eventually we get games where we don't have audience come up and
Don't steal my idea.
Oh, so I already stole it.
What? I'm beatboxing.
Okay. So,
we can adjust this to
we'll
whatever height you
probably
like.
just switch because she's taller than me. That's right. Okay, we'll have
That's
birthday
perfect.
girl. We'll have birthday girl be sound effects for Dave. And what is your name?
And birthday girl, what is your name, man?
My both named Laura.
Oh, well, there you go.
All right, Laura, the birthday girl. You'll be mine.
And the other Laura, you'll be my sound effects person.
Okay. Now we need location. Where are we?
No. Kroger's.
We're at Kroger's. Where is this? Well, no.
No.
The feminine hygiene aisle.
And what is our relationship?
What is our relationship?
Supervisor.
Father and daughter.
Father and daughter.
Supervisor.
Supervisors.
So what are we?
Father and daughter.
Okay.
Father and daughter in the feminine hygiene aisle of Kroger's.
Okay, honey. I know this is your first time in this aisle. Beans, yes, I know.
Yes.
I hope, yeah, so here, we need some of this. Okay. Take the top off. And just like spray it in there. Oh, very good. See, smell that. Just walk your nose through that. See, you need to keep that in your purse in case you have those being moments. Like now. No, that was my being moment.
That was you, Dad.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. That was you. You've had too many beers.
I've had beer and beans.
Here, let me pull out my Walkman. I happen to have these little amplifiers, speakers on my shoulder, and I'm going to play some music here.
Yeah.
Okay, dear, you're embarrassing me. Okay, now if
You're my hero, Dad.
yeah, well, your hero's about to get a little smart. See, we're here in
There seem to be a lot of people in this aisle, Dad.
I just
look.
make a lot of sound. I know you're not around me a lot, and there's a reason for that.
Yes, I'm going to put my earplugs in, Dad.
Okay.
You can write me if you...
What's that? I didn't see.
Boop. He quit working.
And yeah, I think we need some more batteries. Okay, now here, this box of product, here, hold that, and I'll tear it open. Now,
What is that, Dad? It looks ugly.
it is, here, we'll just take off the tape. And it's a snowshoe. It's a snowshoe. Here, stick it to the bottom of your foot. There you go.
Feels pretty good, Dad. Can I have one on my other foot here,
Okay,
please?
okay, here we go.
Thank you.
I'm going to take the tape off again. Okay. There we go.
Imagine what the sounds would be.
Yeah.
Get me out of here.
That's right. Oh, there's my phone.
Mine too.
I got knocked down, but I got up again.
Yes, Dad and I are in the growers. Beep beep, no better. It's just like my iPod. It doesn't work.
Mine was the wrong number, so.
Oh.
Okay.
All right. Look. Oh, you know, this is great. Come here. I want to show you this, Dad. I know you don't come to Kroger's too often. This is kind of foreign territory to you. Look over here by the vegetables.
Yeah. Yes.
In a moment, they're going to start. The thunder is going to roll, and it's going to rain. Watch this.
Yeah.
It used to be more exciting, Dad. When I was younger, I guess. There it is. Oh, and by the milk. Over here by the milk. Now you can hear the cows by the milk. Listen.
No.
And I think I hear
Quack.
a goat. Too.
Quack.
I hear a goat.
Sheep and goats, yes. It's right over here by the milk. So you hear from the cheese. Fire. Yes, you got goat's cheese.
I hear roosters also.
I think it's because they're trying to say there's some eggs from the hens over here.
Is that what it is?
I don't know, Dad. I'm young and stupid. Hey, here comes a boy. Oh, Bobby's coming.
Honey,
Hi, Bobby.
I think he's your best bet.
Oh,
Yeah.
Dad,
Sorry.
I'm so embarrassed now. Oh.
Okay, I think we should go home now. This has been a bust.
Yeah.